Do you dream of speaking fluent English? Yes, you can also speak English fluently. Remember, every fluent speaker was a beginner. When I saw other people around me speaking fluently, I also dreamed that one day I will also speak fluently. But I didn't spoke, I didn't try. I just lying on the bed and I just thinking and just I am dreaming that one day I will also improve, I will also speak fluently. But by lying on the bed, how you improve? So I also not improve. So if you want to improve, if you want to speak fluently and confidently, then start speaking with me. Start today we will speak fluently and confidently together. So let's begin. Speaking of fluently, you also can speak fluently, but you have to follow some steps. Start listening every day. uh, even if you want to speak fluently, then you have to speak every day, because anything, like you when you want to make food, so how do you learn of making food? By making only sometime. When you first time make food, then that food definitely not be so tasty. Yes, you made lot of mistakes, but by making regularly, you started making food so tasty. See, I have real experience before 2 to 3 years. Uh, I'm just focusing on my studies. I'm not making food. So when I first time made, that was not tasty. That became not good. But when I regularly make, slowly that uh, food became so tasty, and now I can make food delicious. So how I know making food? Not I just thinking, not I just wondering, not I just reading books. I know I have to cook food. And yes, sometimes no, sometimes no. I regularly watch videos of cooking food, how they cook food, and I apply that process, and now I can make food without watching videos. So in that similar way, you also start listening simple English videos, simple English podcast, simple daily use sentences. I also made daily use sentences in my channel. You can go and watch. So start listening even for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Yes, don't skip any single day, because when you skip, it will not work. Your consistency will break. So don't break your consistency, maintain your consistency. Listen even 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes practicing is enough. You have to just maintain your consistency, and you have to just speak regularly. Yes, you have to just listen regularly. Second step is speak. Yes, when you watch videos, English, simple English videos, you also have to speak, because I don't just watches of cooking food videos. Also apply, or I also made. That's why uh, I am I able to cook food. And by that also, you have to, you listen daily use sentences and repeat again and again. For example, you have listened that I am learning English. You also repeat, I am learning English. pause that video and repeat again. And yes, if you are alone, then start speaking in front of the mirror. uh, yes, in the beginning you made mistakes and you also uh, feel demotivated. You also laughed at you how I am speaking wrong English. I am not perfect. Others will also judge you and laugh at you, but you don't worry. You have to just practice, and just you focus on practicing every day. If you practice every day, definitely you improve, and one day you start speaking fluently. And start to next step is start thinking in your mind. If you think directly in English, then this will improve your speaking, and this will help you to speak fluently and confidently. So start thinking in English. Nowadays I started thinking in English, and when I think at beginning, it takes a struggle, but nowadays my brain automatically think in English. And yes, also you when you start in the beginning, you also feel little bit struggle, but when you